This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their Amazon store, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The smart models are available in 7 sizes from 40 to 88 inches and feature Wi-Fi connectivity for control through smartphone app or with Alexa voice commands, but the voice commands can only turn the unit on or off. They can be recessed into the wall or wall hung and feature 13 flame colors, 13 bed colors, and 3 top light colors for customizing the fire. The TV stand models are available in 60 or 74-inch sizes and include the TV stand. They feature a log speaker to enhance the fire with crackling sounds. The insert models are portrait-style fireplaces that are available in 8 sizes from 25 to 50 inches and are designed to be mounted in the wall. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.